Good morning, dear students. Let's discuss future perfect continuous tense. In the last video, I promised that in this video, I would discuss about the uses of future perfect continuous tense and the difference between the uses of future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. First of all, let's look at the construction of future perfect continuous tense. The sentence construction in future perfect continuous tense is in affirmative sentence, subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the main verb. Subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus ing form of the main verb plus for or since phrase plus future time reference. For example, see here, he will have been teaching French for 2 years by tomorrow. So subject here will have been verb plus ing teaching French. Now for or since phrase for 2 years here and here future time reference by tomorrow. So he will have been teaching French for 2 years by tomorrow. Now let's discuss the construction in negative. We just only add not after auxiliary verb in negative. So just see here, subject in negative sentence, construction will be subject plus will shall or shall plus not plus have plus been plus verb plus ing, see here, plus for or since phrase plus future time reference, just like we have learnt in affirmative sentence construction. So subject plus will or shall plus not, only you are adding not, everything is same, plus have plus been plus verb plus ing plus for or since phrase plus future time reference. See, for example, he will not have been verb plus ing learning French for 2 years by tomorrow. He will not have been learning French for 2 years by tomorrow. Again this is construction in question positive. So will or shall plus subject plus have plus been plus verb plus ing plus other words plus question mark, because this is question sentence, so it will end with question mark. So again example, will he have been, will he have been, here always this is have, never has, can use here. So will he have been learning French for 2 years by tomorrow? Again, in question negative, just add not. So, will he not have been learning French for 2 years by tomorrow? Will he not have been learning French for 2 years by tomorrow? Now, this is question sentence with WH word. See here, in question negative, question positive. Question positive is here. So, question word here, WH plus will or shall plus subject plus have plus been plus verb plus ing plus for or since phrase means other words plus question mark. See here. What will he have been doing for 2 years by tomorrow? What will he have been doing for 2 years by tomorrow? Now again negative, so just add not after subject or auxiliary verb. Both are allowed. So in question sentence, if you are adding not after auxiliary verb, this is used in spoken English. But if you are using after subject, so this is used in written English. So what will he not have been doing? What will he not have been doing for 2 years by tomorrow? What will he not have been doing for 2 years tomorrow? Now again, this is a sentence in interrogative and it begins with subject. Means question word is here only subject. So here there is a little bit different structure. See here. Who? WH plus will or shall plus have plus been plus verb plus ing plus other words plus question mark. See here. Here who is subject. So who will have been learning French for 2 years by tomorrow? Who will have been learning French for 2 years by tomorrow? Again, if you put negative, then it will be put not after auxiliary verb. So who will not have been learning French for 2 years by tomorrow? Who will not have been learning French for 2 years by tomorrow? Again, another question is there. For how long? This is again question WH word. For how long will he have been learning French by tomorrow? For how long will he have been learning French by tomorrow? Again, negative, just put not. So, for how long will he not have been learning French by tomorrow? For how long will he not have been learning French by tomorrow? Now, let's discuss the uses of future perfect tense in detail. So, first uses of future perfect continuous tense is we use future perfect continuous tense if, see here, if an action starts in past. If an action starts in past at a particular time. If an action starts in past at a particular time, and either ends in future before a particular time. It's an action that started in past and either ends in future before a particular time or may continue further. Action starts in past but ends in future before a particular time, and it may continue further as well. Here, for example, I will have been teaching in this school for 2 years on 30th April 2021. I will have been teaching here for 2 years on 30th April 2021. It means I started teaching 2 years ago, means in past and in future, that is 30th April. Before 30th April, I'll complete this period, and after 30th April, the action may continue. So here future perfect continuous tense. In negative, just put not. So he will not have been studying in this school for 5 years tomorrow. He will, it's a negative sentence. So he will not have been studying in this school for 5 years tomorrow. Again, another example. She will have been typing the pages since morning when you come tomorrow. So, action starts in past, means in morning. And when you come, the action may continue further. So here you have used future perfect continuous tense. Now, let's discuss the difference between the uses of future perfect and future perfect continuous tenses. Future perfect tense emphasizes on completion of work. It says that work is completed. It specializes on completion of work. But future perfect continuous tense emphasizes on completion and again continuation of work. Future perfect continuous also emphasizes on completion, but there is continuation of work as well, as he will have completed the project by tomorrow, and so here it is emphasized on completion of the work. You will have completed your project by tomorrow. You will have completed your project by tomorrow. So here emphasis is on completion of the work. But in future perfect continuous tense, he will have been completing the project for 2 years by tomorrow. So in future perfect continuous tense, completion of work is emphasized, but continuation is also there. He will have been working on the project for 2 years by tomorrow. In this way, you have understood the difference between the uses of future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. Thank you.